Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this time it's the animation that I was talking about. Definitely didn't have another idea that I scrapped because it was taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. Okay, I admit it, there was another idea, and it's going to come out later. It was taking a lot longer than I was hoping it was going to take, being that it's computer animation. But I'm making a different animating video. Not computer animating this time, it's with toy animating. It's an unboxing video. Yeah. Yeah. No, I am not ashamed of having toys for sort of a collection, I guess you could say. Anyways, let's get started with the animating unboxing video. At least I don't have to talk over it.
People start to ask me like, what you gonna do with all that green? I'm gonna